Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change shipping address on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, click on the top right corner on your profile. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you can see all account option. Click on it. Now, if you scroll a bit down and you can see your addresses in account setting. Click on your addresses. Now, here we can add our new address or new shipping address. Click on add a new address. Now here, enter your phone number, enter your location and city you're in, and state and zip code, and click on make this my default address if you want to make this your default address, and simply click on add address. And that's how you can add another shipping address on your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.